Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix hanging problem in your Realme smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So if you are facing the hang problem, just release some of the storage from your smartphone. If it is filled with some of the trash like images, videos, documents that are not useful and unusual, just delete them, uninstall the application that are not useful. Just go for the software update. If you have not updated to the current software, just install that software, restart your smartphone, and this will fix your hanging problem. If not, there is any another issue, you have to check it up. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.